When someone says to you, "Hi, how are you?" do you freeze and not know how to reply? Or maybe you say the same English greeting you always gave. In this English speaking practice video, I'm going to help you learn some great ways to greet someone in English and even sound like a native English speaker when you do your English greeting. Hi everyone, I'm Steve from telclass.com. Here are some wonderful and easy English greetings that you can practice daily. When someone says to you, "Hi, how are you?" you can reply with one of the following English greetings. "I'm great, thank you. And you?" "I'm doing well, thanks. How are things with you?" "I'm great, thank you. How are you?" "I'm super, thanks. How are you doing?" "Not bad, thanks. How have you been?" It's very polite and common in English greetings to respond with an answer, as well as asking how the other person is. Please note, unless you know the person personally, you don't need to provide private information about your life when you respond. When you are at a supermarket, for example, in an English-speaking country, you will find the people that work there often ask how you are, even though they are not really interested. But it is customary and polite to answer them with a smile. Before I continue to teach you some more useful English greetings, I have a gift for you to help you practice your English speaking. It's a free private 10-minute English speaking practice lesson with a native English speaker of your choice on telclass.com. You can find the link in the description below. Getting as much English speaking practice as possible is the fastest way to improving your English and becoming fluent. Formal English greetings. These you can use in the slightly more formal setting, at work, in a formal meeting, or with someone you just met. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. After you have both introduced yourself with your names, you can say, "It's nice to meet you." "It's a pleasure to meet you." "It's great to meet you." If you are meeting someone for whom you have a lot of respect, you could say, "It's an honor to meet you." Informal English greetings. Hi instead of hello. Morning, a more casual way of saying good morning. Good day or good day. Howdy, used mainly in America. After you have greeted the person, you can continue the English conversation with "What's new?" or "What's news?" "How have you been?" "How are things?" or "How are things with you?" "What's up?" "What's happening?" "How are you?" Any question that starts with "how" is an informal way of starting a conversation, like "How are you?" If you haven't seen someone in a while, you could use "It's good to see you" or "It's good to see you again." Long time no see. It's been a while. Now it's your turn. Start practicing your English speaking. Find someone to practice what you have learned here. Let me know which of these English speaking greetings you like the most by leaving your comment below, and click the subscribe button to get notified of new videos I share. I'll see you soon. Bye.